today. This is me at Pixar, and I'm here in the train. Look at the tracks and everything, and look at the here and there, and look at it everywhere, and look at the light is shining to me, and get a look at my head, getting the heart here, and I really like it here. Look at this neighborhood. This neighborhood is so beautiful now. I never gone to a neighborhood before. Do you see? My hand is in the wind.
This is station Kush.
And I never gone to go. I didn't go to the train, but I gone to the train a long time ago. Now I gone to the train. I'm so happy to meet everything and every people. I don't know how to meet it. Look, there's a handle. There's a handle to hold here. There's also two handles there. See? Do you see? There's a hand.